ตัวนาเฮDivine Glory Retreat Center Zomun na Zomun sipa si Jules kakai te inayechi ama to Father Rafu Father de Hokaga visit na ahechi jamkhat block kan body amun la chi amun hi le lamka garjang risut kom chat ahe tai gari kan to de anal dan chu gì thế nào anal dan chu Jelahi le gate retreat gate thong đi đấy Divine Glory Retreat Center Lai Mon nơi lòng khui là dam chỉ là Divine Glory Retreat in Somaite sẽ Roma ông lẩu này hả? Good afternoon, Father. Yes. Here is the place where the priests of the Holy Mass. Here we can find the crucifix at Retreat Center Zomun of Father. What you find, Father, here? Rosary and crucifix, no?
You take this one.
Let me see.
What you're searching is this time.
Once we open, we have to take now.
Yeah, that's why.
So that's why before we open the cover, let's confirm first. Otherwise, let's see. Okay.
340.
How much? Yeah. So now here Retreat Center, Divine Glory Retreat Center ko speaker ga so he in sunga mai cham din. Okay. Rosary yang tamta na. Umi. Silahi ke khop namun Mass bol namun erudition bol namun ahoy na ga bio thing jang hina this crucifix for the Catholic family have crucifix. They have crucifix in their own house. One free gift from brother. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll come again next time. Okay. Here is a what to say a library at Zomun, no?
Yes.
Zomun Retreat Center at Trichanpur, near to Garjang Resort. Okay, here we can find the what to say the things church material like crucifix,
Rosaries.
rosaries, and
Statues.
statues, no? If you want, we can find here. We can approach to our brother, no? Your name?
Dominic.
Oh, brother Dominic, who is presently in charge in this, no? What?
As a team member.
Huh?
As a team member.
Team member. Okay. Thank you so much for presenting me this. Okay. God bless you. Okay.
Thank
And we will see you soon next time. Okay.
you.
Okay. This is short live. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just putting. Thank you so much for the viewers. Okay.
Thank you.
As we the Catholic, no? All these materials are compulsory to have, no? Because these materials will lead to what to say closer to God. Okay. Because we cannot see God, okay, by seeing the image like this image, no? Or this the crucifix, a place at Golgotha, no? Jesus Christ was crucified, no? Like the crucifix, no? If we see all these things, or Jesus crucified like that, okay? So thank you so much, okay? God bless you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. กำกิจใจไตอยู่ไปน้ำนะแคบๆนะใจอินลังกันสุดดี Here I'm with him is presently working as a touring catechist at this retreat center at Zhoumun. A place is near to Gazang Resort. The distance from Trichanpur down to Gazang or Zhoumun 20 kilometers or 15 kilometers maybe. My sipa he. Chân chom sa ta din na. Here is our Father Prafu room, command room or office. Okay. The sleeping room as well as office. Okay. Thank you so much, okay, Father. Okay. Thank you. You have present me one rosary, no? Thank you so much. Okay. Bye, okay, Father. Okay. Tôi cũng kịch trái hàng ngày tê sipa du lịch toa chi lâm ca đi ngà hi lâm ca lê lê rồi hồ cụ ki zo cha tê na đi ngà hi chi bishop về kita mà phaya ho diocese ta bangai ne ho na retreat center mone he lai mon he tai gari